Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the black sapphire metallic paintwork, we have the LED daytime running headlights, we also have the full M Performance kit which includes the gloss black front splitter, we have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, we also have the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers as well. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the rear spoiler and the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhausts. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. If we take a quick look at the interior, so inside of the front you find we have the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are heated. There is a quick look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system on the doors. We also have the electric mirrors and electric windows. We have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers as well. A multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control, the high beam assist as well. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have all the different drive modes as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.